Good morning. The Negotiable Instrument Act cases, check bounce cases. Initially, we used to file 420 private complaints, and subsequently, Negotiable Instrument Act was enacted for the purpose of the bank being disturbed from time to time, and they want to check the uh, misuse of the authority of bank. Therefore, Negotiable Instrument Act was uh, amended 138 negotiable, then other corresponding sections. Now the question arises: what all are the new changes under Negotiable Instrument Act? How you should be very careful in defending or prosecuting the accused. In an important case, AR 2021 Supreme Court 3060 Kapoor Singh versus State of Haryana. This case, single judge judgment was there. They say uh, when he filed an application before the Supreme Court, this registry insisted them to file petition to surrender, and they say the surrender is not necessary. Therefore, that was discussed here. While discussing that, and held that there is no question of surrendering because the default was for non-payment of compensation, not final. So they say you simply see uh, under section 143 of negotiable agreement, consequences of failure to comply with the directions issued under section 143A are spelled out in subsection 5, section 143A, subsection 5 merely provides for the recovery of the interim compensation ordered under section 143A as if it were a fine under section 421 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So that is, it has to be recovered as a fine. Just it is incorporated under MC case when there was a default, and as well as domestic violence when there is compensatory protection order money for payment of money and maintenance was awarded under Domestic Violence Act. Also, section 421 of CRPC was facilitated. They say the 421(1) prescribe two methods for recovery of fine. They are recovery of attachment and sale of any movable property. Number 2, recovery through the collector of the district as if the amount represents the arrears of land revenue. Then you have to go to standing orders under revenue, but then that so many things are there. Then they say 143A subclass 5 and read with 421 CR does not prescribe term of imprisonment when the orders impugned do not challenge any penalty of imprisonment for particular term. Therefore, they say, then another thing was there, this approach before the Supreme Court was when the complainant insisted for 20% of the check amount within 60 days, pending disposal of the complaint. Only for that non-compliance only this has been. Therefore, you should understand all those things, and main case pertaining to criminal rules of Supreme Court, Order 22 and Rule 5, exemption from surrendering. These things are there. Okay. Then I am very glad that our beloved, respectable Justice M.N. Sundaresan now been elevated to Apex Court, Supreme Court of India. Then again there will be somewhat disturbances in the collegium system of our Honorable High Court of Judicature. The next immediate second judge will be Vimananam J, and some arrangement then D. Raja, Duraisamy, thereafter P.N. Prakash. Let us hope that some good things have happened while recruiting new judges. only merit. Capability, understanding, polite in dealing, all these things are there. We expect whatever it may be, we have to accept as normally man accepts his wife after marriage. This is our system. Submission is not slavery. Submission is contract. Slavery is imposition. This is what I understand. So all right, best wishes